Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 6 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. How can India protect its cybersecurity against quantum computing threats? The Center for Development of Telematics, CDOT, has signed an agreement with Synergy Quantum to develop an automated tool for quantum-vulnerable crypto algorithm discovery. This tool will scan devices, identify cryptographic algorithms, detect security vulnerabilities, and distinguish between quantum-safe and quantum-vulnerable algorithms. This collaboration aims to deliver a fully integrated solution to assess cryptographic readiness for the quantum era, aligning with the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. This topic is relevant for GS3, Science and Technology, and is important for understanding India's efforts in cybersecurity and quantum technology. Key takeaways: CDOT and Synergy Quantum Partnership. Automated tool for quantum-vulnerable crypto algorithm discovery. Alignment with Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. How is India using central bank digital currency to enhance food security? The Government of India has launched a CBDC-based digital food coupon pilot in Gujarat, aiming to introduce transparency, efficiency, and beneficiary empowerment in the public distribution system. This initiative will enable beneficiaries to receive digital coupons for subsidized food grains, addressing challenges related to biometric authentication and EPOS operational issues. This topic is relevant for GS3, Economy, and is important for understanding India's digital initiatives in public distribution systems. Key takeaways: CBDC-based digital food coupon pilot. Transparency and efficiency in public distribution system. Beneficiary empowerment. How is artificial intelligence transforming Indian agriculture? India has created a large-scale digital foundation for agriculture, with over 7.63 crore farmer IDs and 23.5 crore crop plots surveyed under the Digital Agriculture Mission. AI-based tools support informed decision-making at every stage of the agricultural value chain. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 emphasizes the democratization of technology, promoting equitable access to AI capabilities, particularly for underserved communities. This topic is relevant for GS3, Science and Technology, and is important for understanding India's initiatives in digital agriculture and AI. Key takeaways: Digital Agriculture Mission. AI-based tools in agriculture. India AI Impact Summit 2026. Why is there a need to reform the global trading system? The WTO chief has urged the importance of multilateral cooperation to avoid chaos, highlighting the need for reforms to keep pace with geopolitical tensions and rapid technological change. The agreement that established the World Trade Organization, WTO, in 1995 is being re-evaluated to address current global trade challenges. This topic is relevant for GS2, International Relations, and is important for understanding global trade dynamics and the role of WTO. Key takeaways: Need for global trading system reform. WTO Chief Statement. Geopolitical tensions and technological change. What are the recent developments in the news? The Supreme Court has urged FSSAI to consider front-of-pack labeling, warning of high sugar, fat, and sodium in food. Other news includes the construction of the country's first underwater twin-tube Rourke's tunnel project and the restoration of the use of DLGs for non-banking finance companies. These developments highlight the government's efforts to enhance food safety, improve infrastructure, and support the financial sector. These topics are relevant for GS2, Polity and Governance, and GS3, Economy and Infrastructure, and are important for understanding current events and government initiatives. Key takeaways: Front-of-pack labeling. Underwater twin-tube Rourke's tunnel project. Restoration of DLGs for NBFCs. How is India navigating the challenges of US sanctions and trade agreements? The India-US bilateral trade agreement has not yet been forged, but the framework for an interim agreement on reciprocal trade has been announced. The Indian government must consider the concessions given in order to secure the interim agreement and their implications. The agreement's details, including tariffs, non-tariff barriers, and market access, will be crucial for India's economy and trade relations with the US. This topic is relevant for GS2, international relations, and GS3, economy, and is important for understanding India's trade relations and economic diplomacy. Key takeaways: India-US bilateral trade agreement. Framework for interim agreement on reciprocal trade. Concessions and implications for India. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.